Okay, welcome to the media briefing this afternoon. Following the brief from yesterday afternoon, the tropical disturbance 11F have been upgraded to tropical depression this afternoon, and it is about 1,300 kilometers northwest of Fiji. On its projected path, it is expected to lie about 1,200 kilometers northwest of Nadi at 2 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, and about 1,100 kilometers northwest of Nadi on Wednesday afternoon. The depression is continuing to intensify, and it has got a very high probability that it will become a tropical cyclone in next 12 to 18 hours. The rain bands and the strong winds are expected to start affecting from later tomorrow and on Wednesday and into Friday. On its current path, we are looking at Wednesday to Friday. By Wednesday, it will be about 1,100 kilometers northwest of Fiji. In terms of its projected path, it is expected to still lie to the northwest of Fiji, as it by Tuesday and again by on Wednesday, it is expected to about 1,100 kilometers northwest of Fiji. So, this is the tropical cyclone season, and we ask the viewers to remain prepared should there be any strong winds and heavy rain associated with the depression comes along our way. We must be prepared at all times. Yes, the procedures that we have in place is that the alert will go 48 hours before any strong winds is going to affect any part of Fiji, as well as subsequent to that there will be warnings given that will be come out as in special weather bulletins. It does not pose any direct threat to Fiji. However, indirect effects such as strong winds and heavy rain can be anticipated. As we've seen in the past, the tropical cyclones normally come with heavy rainfall, and we have also seen in the past that the tropical cyclones have generated or have caused floodings of major rivers. Given that the tropical cyclone is going to pass to the west of the country, the tropical depression is going to be going its way to the west of Fiji. We can expect heavy rainfall, and that could possibly cause flooding. Associated with the depression, the active convergence zone also lies very close to Rotuma, and we are now issuing a strong wind warning for Rotuma associated with the active convergence zone. Yes, the northernmost island is Rotuma. Rotuma will start to get the first effects before the rest of the country would be able to get any effects. We are looking at the active convergence zone, which is associated with the depression, is currently affecting Rotuma. However, the strong winds are expected to start affecting Rotuma later this evening.